InterpretCannabinoids. Fast, intuitive, automated data analysis software for Cannabis Laboratories. InterpretCannabinoids is a new chromatography data system from Chromperfect. It has been designed specifically for data acquisition, analysis, and reporting of chemical cannabinoids within samples from cannabis plant material. This is a booming business for many small analytical laboratories. However, installing and operating a new software platform can be a challenge, as these labs are often owned and operated by individuals who do not have a background in analytical chemistry. The industry demands a fast, intuitive, and reliable software platform for data acquisition and analysis for HPLC and GC instruments. InterpretCannabinoids is the complete turnkey software solution. A comprehensive set of Chromperfect files allows fast, automated, push-button analysis and reporting of cannabinoids. The new innovative design and user interface means that operators with no prior experience can get accurate results in minutes. In this video, we will focus on the key features and operation of InterpretCannabinoids from the point of view of a small laboratory operator. Setup. InterpretCannabinoids is easy to install and configure. At the heart of the system is a new simplified data acquisition user interface with only the key information required for cannabis samples. The instrument is connected to the software using a standard setup procedure. The user has the choice to customize the provided sample files using a step-by-step guide. Alternatively, implementation services are available where our technical experts can customize the system for your needs or local regulatory requirements. Operation. Acquiring data. The module is launched by double-clicking on an icon. The following form will appear. The Configure button allows the interface to be customized. We are not going to cover it here, however, the customization options are fully documented in the manual. The instrument status displays the current state of the selected instrument. Initially, the instrument status will be ready or perhaps awaiting download. If the instrument is ready, then the Start button will also be enabled. Every run produces a Chromperfect raw file for each active detector. Depending on the setup, other files such as PDFs may also be generated automatically. The file naming and creation settings are fully detailed within the manual and are not covered in this video. Analyzing a sample is very straightforward. The user only needs to enter some basic information. If a calibration is required, the checkbox should be selected and the system will prepare for the injection of the working standard. The calibration file will be updated automatically when the analysis is complete. In many laboratories, there is only one calibration level. However, multiple levels are supported and are selected using the pull-down menu. When you have entered the information, click the Download button and you are ready to start the analysis. This can be done by clicking the Start button on the form or by pressing Start on the instrument or autosampler. When the instrument has started, the status will change to In Run. A plot will appear a few seconds later. During the run, the chromatogram advances, and so does the elapsed time at the top of the form. When the run finishes, the plot will vanish and the instrument status will change back to Ready. At this point, you can make another injection for the same sample or enter new information and download again. If there are numerous samples to be analyzed, this can be automated. Rather than entering the sample name and sample weight manually, the information can be put in a sequence file. This is useful when working with a batch of samples. A sequence can be set up in advance, which will automate data entry with both manual injections or when using an autosampler. If the Use Sequence File checkbox is checked, the adjacent controls become active. Press the Load button to select a sequence file. Press the small buttons on the Selected Entry control to navigate among the entries in the sequence file. Reporting your data. After the analysis is complete, a report can automatically be sent to the printer. Here is an example. The report can be easily customized to include company or client logos, calculations, as well as the chromatogram plot if required. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more chromatography training content. You might also want to follow Chromperfect on Facebook and Twitter. There will be links in the description below.